Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today we will be adding the bobbin thread into the Janome Jem Gold 660 sewing machine. So let's get started. First, you need to have a loaded bobbin and your sewing machine handy and ready to go. So let's get started. So we're going to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case of the sewing machine. This is called the bobbin cover plate. First, you're going to take your index finger and you are going to push this black open and close button here. You're going to push it to the right and then it'll snap open like that. Okay, so take out the bobbin cover plate. All right, so if you look at how the bobbin is actually attached to the machine, you're going to have the thread coming off the left, and then you're going to go through this little metal tension dial or tension alignment dial, and then you're going to pull it. All right, so the tension alignment dial is here. It's this silver mechanism here. All right, so what you're going to do is take your thread, make sure that it's coming off of the left. Okay, you don't want it coming off the right, because if it does, it's not going to do what you want it to do. So make sure it's coming off the left. You're going to drop it into the bobbin case like that. Use one of your index fingers to hold the bobbin in place. So I'm going to use my right index finger. I'm going to take my left finger and I'm going to place it through the center of the tension alignment metal dial. And then I'm going to click it to the left. Okay. And so now it's inside of the machine. That's what you want. So I'm going to do it again. Sometimes it clicks and sometimes it doesn't. But I'm holding the thread firmly in my hand while I do this. So here we go. All right. And that's what you want. Now all we have to do is pull the thread up through the machine. So first thing you're going to do is grab the thread with your left hand, the spool thread, the one that's going through the needle, put that in your left hand. And then you're going to take your right hand and put it on the hand wheel. And we're turning towards us. Always go towards you, okay? So you're going to do one full turn and let the needle go all the way down and come all the way back up. Grab this one. We're going all the way down, coming all the way back up. Okay, it's grabbing it now. And then you want your needle to be about to go down again. And that's when you stop. When the needle starts to go down again, then stop. So I'm going to take the thread and I'm going to pull it to the front actually. And you see that there is a loop. This is the bobbin thread, okay? So what you want to do is I want you to pull out the bobbin thread like this. You see the bobbin thread is here, but it needs to come up through the needle plate here. Okay, so I'm gonna pull it and pull it and pull it, and there we go. And you see that the bobbin thread is actually coming up through the needle plate here. It's coming up through the center of the needle plate. The silver part is the needle plate, and then you have your top thread here. Okay, so this is what you want to see. All right, so we're gonna take both of those. And I'm just going to take my finger and put it through and let it go. Both of them go under and through the presser foot. Okay, so it should look exactly like this. And now you're going to put your bobbin cover plate back on like that. Click it in place. And now you are ready to start sewing. So thank you for watching this video of how to add the bobbin thread to the Janome Jem Gold 660 sewing machine. Follow us on our socials, give us video ideas and suggestions, join our email list, and look out for online courses. Thank you for watching and happy sewing.